can see them, they sparkle kind of in the light. Let's see what they were talking about now. It's really cool though, how thin that is. I can't get over that. I had to move it to this side. I put it over on the other side and had it up on top, and the wind kept blowing it off. So I just moved it over to this side and put it on the ground. Alright, let's go in and see how we're charging, or if we're charging. What do y'all think? Y'all think we're getting any power? What do you think? I'm going to go with yes. Yes, sir. Working like a charm. 70 watts coming in, 6 hours until fully charged. Free power. Wherever you're at. Now that's pretty cool. I like that.